So they got me. I'm pretty good at going places, grocery stores, Walmart, wherever you might be going, and as you're checking out, you've got all that candy and all that good stuff right there, that impulse buy. You know, when you do get it, they say, oh, do you want that in the bag? Or you just want to take it with you? I'm usually, if I get it, just put it in the bag, it's for later. They got me. I was getting some coffee at a place, and I'm just going to check out. I look down, and I see this. Kit Kat key lime pie. Now, I'm a key lime pie lover. It's just fantastic. Absolutely love it. So it intrigued me. Needless to say, I picked it up and I grabbed it and I put it down. I've been saving it because I really wanted to try it to compare it against kind of a real key lime pie. So I actually made some key lime bars the other day, and I made that using Nelly. Nelly enjoys that. So to me, this is kind of a comparison between these two in a way. You know you love it. It's the flavor. It's the only one I use. But the thought of having a key lime pie on the go sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Debated which one to try first. Do I eat the bars or do I eat this? Chose this. Try this one first. I already know what that tastes like. And I wanted it. So nice green color. Usual Kit Kat flakiness. When you break it, let's go ahead and give it a try. It's got a little bit of a bite, like key lime bite. Excuse me. It's sweet, which of course key lime pie or key lime bars or key lime anything is going to be sweet. I like it. I have to say, Jimmy, for a key lime taste on the go, totally would go with this. If you're hankering for it and you want it, I'd say they did a great job, especially a challenging thing is to do key lime in kind of a cookie form on the way. I'll try it against this one here. Much more key lime flavor than that, of course, but what do you expect? Come on, people. So, but all in all, would I buy it again for $1? Yes, I would. If I was in the mood for key lime pie and I wanted that, yeah. That is kind of the quick and easy key lime fix. Of course, if you really want the key lime pie thing, then you just got to go and do it, because the only thing I think they could have done better on that, think about it, is this is a nice buttery graham cracker bottom to it, nice and thick. If they could have done a little bit of the graham cracker flavor in there, I think it would have been, I know it's a key lime flavor, but I think the graham cracker in there would have made it much more like a key lime pie or key lime bar or something. So, but all in all, 2 thumbs up. I suggest it. And if you enjoy key limes and you need a quick fix, go for it. I'm going to enjoy this one. See you next time.